I used to overpack, like 3 jackets for a weekend kind of overpack. But now I travel with my carry-on only. No stress, no outfit regrets, and my bag doesn't hurt, which is amazing when you are in your 30s. So today I'm sharing my minimalist packing method, and we will talk about travel capsule wardrobe and how to build it to make sure it actually works for you. I know guys, you like this kind of videos, and thank you so much for your ongoing support. That means a lot to me. Alright, let's get started. So most people overpack because they lack clarity. They don't know what actually suits their personal style, and hence they pack just in case. So here is my rule that I stick to every time. I don't pack clothes, I pack outfits. And if a piece doesn't work with at least 3 outfits, it doesn't come with me. Because I do believe that a small capsule wardrobe is much smarter than bringing every possible thing just in case. So before I even open my suitcase, I like planning my outfits. And I used to do it manually, like hanging all the things here, trying to understand how to mix and match all those pieces, but it was so time consuming. So now what I do instead is that I actually have my TrueSelfStylist app. So for full disclosure, I launched this app a while ago, and thank you so much for those who have already downloaded the app and sent me their feedback. That means a lot. I was one of those people who used to overthink, and now what I do, I actually take a picture of the clothes in my wardrobe that I'm planning to bring with me on my trip, and then I upload these pictures to the app. And just because the TrueSelfStylist apps already knows my style archetype and what silhouettes work best for me, it will actually suggest the outfits that will work perfectly for my personal style. So TrueSelfStylist removes the guesswork. It helps me build a capsule wardrobe based on my personality, but also see the outfit combinations right before packing, so I travel with confidence and know that everything will work together. I'm going to show you a bit later the outfits that the app suggests me. My ideal capsule wardrobe is about 12-15 pieces, including the tops, the bottoms, the bags, accessories, and the shoes. I do believe that minimalist packing works only if the fabrics work hard. That's the reason that I like wearing silk. It's such a beautiful, breathable, wrinkle-resistant and elevated fabric. That's why that's been always my go-to option. And this fabric is also so light and doesn't take any space in the suitcase. I've always loved beautiful flowy fabrics, and when I actually understood that it's in line with my style archetype, all the things made sense. So in my case, I'm an effortless muse as the primary archetype and grounded icon as the secondary influence, and it gives me actually quite a good understanding which fabrics to go for, which silhouette to choose, and I also have my whole wardrobe strategy right in my pocket. I really feel so much myself wearing flowy fabrics that feel like my second skin. And this beautiful garment from Lilysilk, by the way, actually that's a new addition to my wardrobe that's made of silk, and I really like it. The app suggests me a lot of outfits using this t-shirt, which is not surprising. This is such a versatile piece, right? But I also like it's such an elevated version of a really basic item. So I also have another one which is in a cacao color, very beautiful. It's just amazing. Look how flowy it is. I know that some of you have already purchased from Lilysilk, and that's my first time trying clothes from this beautiful brand, and I'm really happy with the quality. I feel really good wearing neutral colors, but I also like adding 1 or 2 statement pieces. So in this case, I'm thinking about this beautiful jacket, tweed. I think it's such an amazing fabric. And there is also something new, which is a silk skirt, something that has been on my wish list once I've done this style archetype profiling. Alright, enough talking. Let's get into the styling the outfits. I'm really excited to try every single outfit the app suggested me. I don't know why I haven't bought a silk skirt like this. This is something that the app recommended me based on my profile archetype. So the skirt is not lined, but it's made of high quality silk. It's very thick. It's quite expensive on the market. I'm telling you, as the founder of a sustainable luxury brand, it's really an exception to find something for this price point of such a wonderful quality. So the level of finishing is amazing. It's really well done. Let me see, what else can I style it with? I feel like the cardigan would be perfect here, as well as the blazer. And I really hope that you appreciate how soft and flowy all these garments are. They are just so comfortable. I feel this outfit is so much in line with my style profile. Very clean silhouette, very practical, but also very effortless. These are wide leg tailored trousers. They're perfect for all year round capsule wardrobe, and they actually come with a very nice belt. So no need to carry extra belt with you if you travel. I really like this color. I think it's so chic. When I got Lilysilk pieces, I also got this kind of guidance on how to fold a shirt. And it actually helps to avoid wrinkles, which is great if you don't have time to steam your clothes while traveling. And if you want to try this for your next trip, I definitely advise you downloading the app and just, get creative with the outfits. And I will also link my favorites from Lilysilk in the description box down below, in case you guys want to try this beautiful quality for yourself. And if you guys like this video, please do not hesitate to give it a thumb up, subscribe, and also leave me a quick comment how you prefer to travel. Do you travel carry-on, or is it something you are still working on? I would be really curious to chat with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next one.